Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, this is an announcement video. After considering and thinking about it, and since the channel is growing and the demand for the help for bedrock information is just going crazy right now. Well, it's been like this. It's just that a lot of people who have been affected by them, didn't really know where to turn or how to find information, especially online, without calling pest control companies, which in some cases it helps, which in some cases it doesn't. But at the same time, it's very, very, very expensive. That's what led me on my journey to trying to find a solution, because I didn't have the money to pay a pest control company $5,000. So what I came to announce is that I decided to do consultations for those who need it. Everybody is not going to need a consultation. Even those of you who may have had them before and got rid of them, and they just keep coming back after a certain period of time. Though you are mainly the ones that I would like to speak with, or that I can speak with. I'm not looking to go out and find people to talk to. It's that I keep getting things in the comments about people that just really want to speak with me. So that's what we're going to do. I'm not going to go into the details of how this is going to be done. I will just say, if you are one of those that need to speak with me, if you need to have someone that you can actually just talk to about how to get rid of them, or whatever questions you may want to ask, now is your time. I'm not sure, but for now, this will be the only video that I make about this. Later down the line in the future, I have no idea, but as far as right now, because I'm getting a lot of comments, I'm getting a lot of people coming, and I know eventually it could probably be overwhelming, but I'm going to try and help as many people and do the best that I can. So again, if you need to speak to me, leave a comment, and we'll just go from there. Okay guys, that's what I came to say, and I'll see you guys on the next video.